Hello, and welcome to the virtual senior meeting. So this presentation has very important information about the end of the year and graduation. First, we're going to talk about graduation speakers and the senior assembly. So I'll remind you of this at the end, but voting for the graduation speaker, the staff speaker, and then also having the opportunity to sign up for the senior assembly performances will be available on Skyward from May 7th, which is today, until 5 p.m. on May 9th. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the senior assembly. So the senior assembly is going to be a pre-recorded video for the seniors. The senior assembly usually is the day of graduation, and it's during the school day, and that's where we have all of the awards. So this year we're going to be doing it a little bit differently, obviously, and it's going to be a video. If you're interested in performing, please make sure you fill out the assembly section of the Skyward form that you'll hopefully do today or this weekend. If you have any photos from senior year, we're going to have a senior slideshow. So please put them in this Dropbox link by May 14th. This link can also be found on the senior website. May 13th is going to be a pickup day. We're going to have a drive-through pickup at Skyline on May 13th. The time slots are going to be based on your last name. You need your ID with you. You will be picking up your cap gown, cords for GPA and service, and your ASB stoles. You received an email about cords if you are eligible. You're going to get your diploma covers, graduation announcements if you ordered them, the senior sunrise letter if you wrote yourself one at the beginning of the year, and if you didn't pick up a senior yard sign, you will also be picking that up. IB stoles will be coming later. Please try to come the actual May 13th date, even if you can't come to your pickup time. Here are the times if you can try to make it. We're doing this just to try to avoid traffic, but if you can't make your window, please still come between 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. So last name A through FON will be from 12 to 12:45. Foolin will be 12:45 to 1:30. LIO to SAN will be 1:30 to 2:15. SAO to Z will be 2:15 to 3 p.m. And again, if you can't make this, it's okay, but please, or you can't make it to your specific time slot, please still try to come at any of the other times. Next, we're going to talk about graduation ceremony pictures. So we know it's not the same as an in-person ceremony, but we are doing our best to make this day special for you guys given the circumstances. So we're going to be doing an online graduation ceremony so that you guys can still celebrate this amazing time in your lives. Part of the ceremony is going to be a video of you guys. So just like you would normally walk on stage, we want to say each of your names and show a photo of you in your graduation gown. So after you pick it up on the 13th, we would like you to take a photo. You can turn in up to 2 pictures. The first one would be a picture of you in your graduation gown with your cap and all the regalia holding your diploma. And then if you want to decorate your cap, you can also take a picture of your cap, or maybe you holding your cap so that we can see the decor. The picture guidelines, basically guys, don't be a turd. Make sure you're dressed in an appropriate manner as if you're at the real graduation. You can only be wearing the appropriate graduation regalia, except for culturally significant attire. There it is. If you have any questions about that, please contact Assistant Principal Mr. Phelan with any questions. His email's on the school website, and I believe the senior page too. We have the right to remove a picture from the ceremony presentation if it's not school appropriate, so don't be a turd. Make sure you follow the guidelines and submit something that's appropriate for school. You're going to use a QR code that's going to be in your diploma cover. So on the 13th, you're picking up your diploma covers, and inside is going to be a QR code for you to send in your photos of you in your cap and gown. You need to send those in by May 20th. I know this is all kind of quick, but we have to now put together a video, and so it's gonna, for it to come out well, we want to make sure we have enough time. Graduation information. So the day of graduation, first of all, congratulations, class of 2020. The day of graduation, we're going to be doing another drive-through on June 12th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. You can decorate your cars appropriately, of course, honk your horns for seniors, and then, I don't know if you guys remember this, but the staff likes to do a tunnel for you guys. It's kind of a Skyline tradition. So your freshman year, if you remember during orientation, there was a part where you walked down into the gym and all of the staff was clapping as you guys entered Skyline for the first time. We like to do traditionally a tunnel after you leave your senior assembly, and it's a really, really nice moment. I look forward to it every single year, and we still want to do it for you guys. So we will be doing it the day of graduation and in the parking lot of Skyline. What to bring. So you guys need to be you're going to be picking stuff up and you need to bring stuff. So besides just celebrating you guys on graduation, you are going to pick up any awards or medals or certificates you earned. You'll find this out after watching the video on June 11th. So that's when we're going to post the assembly. And during the assembly, there are awards. You're going to get your yearbook. You're going to get your graduation program and tickets, little memorabilia. I don't know if any of you scrapbook like my mom does. And then your IB diploma stoles. You need to bring any textbook you have and pay any fees online. And you need to bring your ASB ID or another form of ID. Guys, paying your fees and returning your textbook is so important. If you don't do this, your diploma and your transcripts will be held. You'll still graduate, but you won't receive those things. And if you're planning things for your future, like college, you need those things. So please pay those. Instructions for this can be found on the senior website. So basically, to summarize everything, we've got 2 formal graduation events, the senior assembly. The assembly video is going to showcase your guys' talents if you signed up to perform, a senior photo slideshow, and we're going to announce the recipients of medals, honors, and voted awards. The video will be posted on June 11th, the day before graduation. Graduation is your other formal event. There will be a graduation video with all of the speakers, just like regular graduation would have been. Performances and the photos that you guys are sending us along with your names being announced. This video will be posted the day of graduation, and that same day this video is posted will be the day that you come and pick up all those things that I just mentioned. We possibly are going to have July events, so based on the state recommendations, we are looking into July events. More information is going to come on this. We're looking into if we can do a real graduation or some sort of prom substitute in person. All of this depends, though, on state recommendations. All right, and that is it, guys. Reminders, please, 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 please check the website, check the e-news. I am updating the website. It currently has everything you need to know about each of these days, and I've separated them for you. Now you need to log on to Skyward and vote for your graduation speaker, your staff speaker, and sign up for the senior assembly performances. So if you have a band and you want your band to try to play, maybe do something recording on Zoom. If you personally sing or play an instrument or do gymnastics or dance, please sign up. And that's all, guys. I hope you're all doing well. I'm sad that we can't do this in person. Me and Miss Brown miss you all so, so much. I hope you enjoy your day, and I will see you May 13th.